Busch Gardens Williamsburg, outside the Busch building. They got a nice Christmas setup going. I would guess that tree's probably 45, 50 foot tall. It's a big boy. Look how small the people are compared to it. Anyway, I'm here in 2025 for Christmas Town.
Yeah, so I'd like to come for a picture. I'm listening, babe. You weren't. I'm listening.
Okay, well, I tried to ride revolving at Busch Gardens in Williamsburg during this Christmas Town thing. It's beautiful here, by the way, the Christmas lights. But that revolving line has about 5 million people in it. I'm not waiting 30 plus minutes, so I'm gonna go on and walk. But look at this. This is beautiful. I think I'm gonna walk across this bridge and find that skyline thing. I'm gonna ride that skyline. Do a video of this crossing bridge because it is beautiful. Oh, look. That's cool. Caught a little bit of the revolt in there. Nice. Oh, this is pretty. Hell yeah. Look at this. Wow. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh. No wonder y'all stopped here. Look how pretty that is. You're fine. That is nice.
Oh, that is pretty. From the picture too. You can see the back of it on the train. We were wondering what it says.
I'm trying to find the train and that sky ride thing.
Invader, the train is.
That's on the other side.
Yes.
All right, I guess I got more walking to do.
Yeah.
Thank you. Those boats take you out on the river. Got Christmas trees through the whole place. This is beautiful.
Did you like it, Alex? Yeah, me too. I like it.
Your ketchup packet. Thank you.
We're on that really long bridge.
They really went all out crazy for this Christmas town. I mean, these lights are incredible. Got another bridge. Lights. Y'all can come with me for the walk. They got something down there. They did a like a little river of lights. Look at that. That's nice. This bridge Oh, this is the Pompeii ride. Loaded up with lights. I think they bought all the lights from Temu to light this place up. I am on the Sky Ride in Busch Gardens now, Williamsburg, Virginia, to see all the Christmas lights. It's definitely beautiful up here. They go all out, that's for sure. Look at that. Wow.
Please keep your hands in arms now. Your head back against the headrest at all times.
I'm over top of that swinging one from before.